Here I have OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the additional settings, and then go to the accessibility. Then switch to the vision section, go to the TalkBack, and here you can enable it. Like
TalkBack on. TalkBack. Navigate up. Button. Double tap to activate.
So TalkBack is a mode that works the way that it speaks out loud contents on your screen depending on where you tap. So for example, I tap like TalkBack.
TalkBack on. Switch in list. Double tap to activate.
And this action got spoken out loud because this feature is made primarily for people who can't really see contents on the screen due different stuff, like maybe someone is blind, maybe some other vision problems, or someone is temporarily blind or something like that, and people just can't really see stuff on the screen, so they should use this feature because it will help them out. So when you're in the TalkBack mode, when you have it enabled to operate, you firstly have to select some action, then it gets spoken out loud.
Double tap to activate.
And in order to confirm it, you have to double tap anywhere on the screen, not exactly on this action, but anywhere.
Turn off TalkBack.
Stop, please.
TalkBack
And
off.
that's how you can do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.